Easter of 2024, we had a few broody hens, and their hard work was finally paying off.
About to come get the babies. She wants this one. She knows it's hers.
Because you see how this side looks? Yeah.
When we have 16 of them. 3 and then 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8.
Over the next few weeks, we were blessed with 12 chicks. Three of those chicks needed a little more help, but we noticed that one of the eggs was starting to hatch, so we brought it inside and placed it onto a heating pad. We researched how to hatch an egg indoors. We kept the egg warm and moistened, and it took overnight where we had to bring the egg with us to work the next day.
He's out?
Yeah.
Just about, yep.
She pushes.
Yeah, it's okay. It's just
Pretty strong.
Mm-hmm.
It's keeping itself out of that shit.
Cozy baby.
Iris took well to her family, but then another egg was hatched due to our aggressive hen. It started pecking at it. We noticed a little bit of blood on the egg, so we brought it inside and put it on the heating pad to hatch. This was little Bo Peep, who was born in my bathroom.
You're almost there. Oh, a little foot sound. You got it. You don't have right there. You just fold it up, huh?
it was stuck on his little eyelid.
Mm-hmm.
It's still developing, and somebody poked you out of there. We'll go with it first.
Oh, got your head.
Let me see if the eye, make sure the eyes are. Are you okay, honey? Yeah, you're definitely a little creep. Hi, baby.
You're trying to eat your first meal, little baby. Leave the baby alone. This little baby just wants to go on an adventure. And he's so hungry. But you can't eat. I tried to give you food, but you can't eat it because you're too tiny.
Both Iris and Little Bo Peep only took a few days to adapt to living outside. This leaves the 12th and final chick to hatch. It was a solid white egg, and we brought it inside on the heating pad in my bathroom yet again. This chick we ended up naming Pebble.
These are two little newborn babies.
Pebble was my little indoor chick for a whole week.
You little baby? You don't want to be a little chicken? So, hi everybody. Hi Mary. Okay. Oh, Iris. Little Bo Peep. Look at that little cupcake. She loves her mommy. You don't want to be a chicken, do you? You don't want to hang out with your family? Are you an excited little... Be nice to that baby, Luna. You too, Bill. I don't like you getting so close to Luna. Let's go back. You stay back, Missy. Hi. Hi, Pebble. cozy.
Was about to start buying chicken diapers and figuring out how to have an indoor chicken, but luckily she did adapt because we were not prepared to have an indoor chicken with 4 cats and a dog already in the house.
Little Pebbles taking a dust bath with her family. She's so cute. Are you sneezing? Bless you.
Finally, after a week, Pebble adapted to her family and she ended up being an outdoor chicken. And now we have 7 hens in total. They're all doing amazing, laying a lot of eggs and doing great.
Big Pebble. She's taking a You snuggle.